जिरोनि 5टा बिसिनोति जों इनागुरेशन प्रोग्राम खालायखो बाय विलेज नि बिसिनते आचारा रोड तारपरे वाक प्रसाद रेजाखा तारपरे सोलार लाइट टक रोग रेखा ताकुम रेखा सोलार लाइट फैन एक एकटा ग्राम बाहिके उन्नति नानि साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी नि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी शाखा मावसामुंगा तांगि दङ वो प्रथमबार वायु 5टा बाय विलेज जों ट्रेन खालामो आगामी दिन तेबोमते बाय विलेज बिसिनते जारा गामियाम चायो दंनाय चिनि गोरै बेगरा खांग्रानो जों गाहाम केतिसाय तुगनान बागि मो प्रोजेक्ट जों
When it comes to governance, the final aim of any governance process is to facilitate development. But what exactly is development is a question that has made states wonder. In development discourse, earlier, in liberal approach, development was seen as economic growth, increasing people's incomes, more industrialization, more exploitation of nature, more roads, more money. As per World Bank, any country which has per capita income more than $15,000 is considered developed. So it is exactly economic growth. As the discourse progressed, we moved to other perspectives of development. There is a Marxist perspective on development which talks about classless, stateless society. There is feminist perspective to development. And decades later, Dr. Amartya Sen, he wrote his famous book, Development as Freedom. In that, human development, it came to the forefront of development discourse. As per Amartya Sen, it is development only when people are able to access the kind of life that they want to lead. It is about giving them the capabilities and freedom to approach the life as they want it. One decade later, from human development, we went to sustainable development. Our goals changed from Human Development Index to Sustainable Development Goals. I am giving you all this long introduction of development just to say how the Bio Village project of Government of Tripura is an example of the most modern idea of sustainable development. Director Saab spoke about how Daspara is getting coverage, how Bio Village scheme is taken up by Niti Aayog as one of the best practices. I would still say that it requires more attention and it requires more coverage and it needs to be replicated in more places. Bio Village scheme, it ticks all the right boxes. It is for sustainability, it is for increasing incomes of people, it is community led. It is not a top down approach but it is a bottom up approach where people decide what they want. And on top of all that, there is convergence of all departments. If you look at the items which are components of Bio Village, you can see there is ARDD, there is TSECN, there is fisheries, there is agriculture, there is solar pump. So there are so many components, so many departments which converge in these Bio Villages. So we, Khowai, as people in Khowai, we used to read about Bio Villages in other parts of the state, but this is for the first time that we have got this wonderful array of 5 Bio Villages which are close to each other: Purba Takchya, Vidyabil, East Belabari, Paschim Chambachara and Paschim Rajnagar. It is yet another example of our honorable ministers, Animesh Debarma sir's everlasting commitment for the development of Khawai in general and Tulashigar in particular.